son. How are you today? Tonight is your you will go to America. You come back to America. Okay? Hoping for your safe travel. Okay, you eat well, eat more. God bless you. Okay, you eat more and more. Hello, cutie. How are you? Hello, cutie. Cutie. Hi. Hello, cutie. Hello. Hello, cutie. Meet my doggy cutie. Mia. She is 3 months old. And meet Baby Ran. Hello. Okay, how are you, Baby Ran? Oh, so cute. Hello, Mark. Kumusta ka na, anak? Okay, thank you, anak, ha, sa paglinis sa house. Okay. Mag-aral kang mabuti, ha? Okay, good luck on your study. God bless you. Congratulations. Malapit ka na mag-graduate. Pagbutihan mo, ha? Okay. Okay, God bless you. Pumunta ka pa ng mukha mo. Close up. Okay. God bless you, anak. Okay.